Hello, 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 and welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things, and I'm super glad to see you here today. I hope you like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. I'm very excited to finally have gotten my Boxycharm base box. You can see my little fingerprints on there. Because it was in my hot little hands and I couldn't wait to get it. And I don't remember what I chose for my choices last month. But this is July of 2022. And we're very excited to see what is in her. And it looks like this. And it says Status 000. And it looks, oh, I remember what I chose now. Interesting. Oh, and I did get something that I've already gotten before, but that's not a terrible thing because it can go in a giveaway. Give away now. What I got to give it to your mama. What I got to give it to your papa. Any Red Hot Chili Peppers fans? Yes, word. All right, let's get in here and see what I have. The first thing I have is called Stack the Odds, and it is from Alley-Oop. It's a multi-use face stacker, 3 cream shades to play. And I used to really love, let me get my calculator out because we like to add up how much the value is. I used to really love cream shadows back in the day. So I'm excited about this. About to rip the box open. And it looks like this. And like that. It says Alley-Oop. And the top shade is a pretty neutral color. Oh, they twist. This is like a brownish color. And there's like a rosy color. And we saw the top one, so that's not what I was expecting. I was expecting something a little cooler than that. I did choose the color selection of it, but I expected something different, and that's $38. Then I have from the Beauty Crop Liquid Eyeshadow Duo, and this is a dual-ended long-wearing eyeshadows. On one side is a creamy velvet pigment matte formula, and on the other side is a dazzling liquid glitter formula. They are easy to blend and can be layered, mixed, and matched. Double dose of fun. $18. I'm not gonna crack this open, but that's what it looks like. It's very pretty, but it's a little dark for my kind of looks that I like to do. Then my duplicate. There's a lot of eyeshadow and makeup in this box this month, so I can't complain about that. It's the Natasha Denona Cupid palette, and I've got it right here. This is exactly what it looks like. I'm not going to take this out of the box because it's upside down and backwards, but that's what it looks like, and I've not used it yet, but I will use it because it's beautiful. But I got that before, and they gave me a $6 coupon towards the drop shop to get something that I would like. But $6 isn't a lot when they give you that eyeshadow, and that's a $48 eyeshadow. And it says, with 3 velvety mattes and 2 dazzling metallics, the versatile 5-pan Cupid palette is all you need to create a range of romantic looks from flirty to fierce, featuring rich coppery browns, bright champagne pinks, and luscious burgundy corals. All 5 shades are velvety, hydrating, and effortless to layer. All right, I believe you. And then I have from Jecca Black Glow Drops in Rose Pearl Highlighting Primer for Face. I have a couple of highlighting primers right now. And this is Prep and Brighten Your Complexion with a Healthy Natural Glow. Apply all over your face using your fingertips before your base. Glow drops can be worn alone or used as a buildable highlight when completing your makeup look. 20 bucks. So let me get in here and see what color this is, because I do love highlighters. Oh, it is in Rose Pearl and it is in this package. I'm gonna have to open it up. Oh, it's got a seal on it. I can't get it with my, oh, here it comes. Oh, it's a pretty color. It is very pretty. It's got a nice shine to it, and it'll work with my complexion, which is nice. And who doesn't love a little bit of glow? I've got a little bit of glow on right now with a Rare Beauty glowy primer. Alright, so that's cool. And then last but not least, I have from Kate Somerville, which is super nice. Goat Milk Moisturizing Cream, clinically tested, safe for sensitive skin and gentle enough for all skin types. The nourishing cream is clinically formulated with moisture boosting visible redness, reducing ingredients designed to soothe, dry, tight. Inspired by the relief founder Kate experienced as a child when goat's milk helped alleviate her painful eczema. $76. Wow. Well, that puts our box value at $200, which is really good, and there's a lot of makeup. There's only one skincare item, which is great because a lot of times we get a lot of skincare. So we got the moisturizer, we got the highlighter, we got the palette, we got the stack of colorful creams, and we got this eyeliner, this eyeshadow duo. And that's really pretty good for the $29 that it is now, $28.99. I feel like I got my money's worth for sure. So I want to thank you so much for being with me here today. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice, and we'll see you real soon.